nights, no regrets, baby, you and I almost drew me to the point without you suicide. But I got you, girl, you got me, yeah, you're mine.
Hey Jules, Jay here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please be a Jewel. Be part of the gem gang. Click the like and subscribe buttons down below. For today's gem, we are at the sister location of Harumama's called Teriyaki&Bao in Carlsbad. This is in a more higher end area of San Diego, if you will. We are here to try out their sizzling curry pots. Basically, they will present to you a dish with a mountain of rice. And what they'll do is that from a teapot, they're gonna pour a big old slurry of curry all over your dish. And it's very, very Instagrammable, very aesthetic, beautiful, and I'm pretty sure it's tasty as well. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, be the judge of that. So let us go ahead and try them out. I just wanted to wish my gems a very happy Valentine's Day and remind you don't have to be in a committed relationship to celebrate this holiday with the ones you love. I wanted to point out that this setting is perfect for your Valentine's dates. So we got our Funaguchi sake. Funaguchi is an unpasteurized Nama type of sake. Nama sake is very sensitive to light, but this specially designed can protects the sake by cutting out the light. Also, the sake is filled all the way to the top to avoid oxidation, ensuring the flavor's freshness. So there's that. You guys ready? Dang, can you smell that? Oh, dang! Oh my god. Let's see if I can pour this without spilling any. Boom. Boom. Alrighty. Let's cheers to this. Alrighty, guys. It would help if I pull down the mask first. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my god. Goes right down your throat. You don't even, it doesn't have the burn, but you know it's strong. Here's round two. Ready, guys? Ganpai. Cheers. It doesn't have that burn like rum does. It goes down smooth, but it packs a punch. Like you could smell it, you could taste it. Like, oh my god. She was kind enough to turn on the heating lamp for us, and what a difference. That feels so nice.
Did you want sriracha with that at all?
Yeah, sure.
I'll bring some over. I'll be right back.
Right, thank you.
That smells fire.
Yeah, it does.
And then it comes with the curry right there. And the idea is to pour it over and to glaze her in the curry goodness. If you guys are a huge fan of curry like I am, this is like literally aesthetically pleasing. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's sriracha right here, you guys. Yup. That smells so divine. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. No worries, thank you, I appreciate it. Here we go. Here's my chicken cutlet. They had an option between regular chicken and the chicken cutlet, which is breaded. And that would be your difference. Is y'all ready for this? Here's the pour. Look at the sesame seeds. the green onion. I'm too excited about this, you guys. Oh, yes. Let's dig in. Alrighty, guys, the official taste test. Excuse me. Excuse me. And honestly, it's so difficult to screw up curry, you guys. So, curry, easy dish to make. And you can go as fancy as adding 20 ingredients to a curry or as simple as 3. And either way, it's still curry and it's still bomb. Like, that's how much I love curry. But let's go ahead and try this here. I'm gonna need a spoonful of sriracha. There we go. Let me get a spoonful of veggies, a little rice. Even the rice is even topped with some seaweed. Hot, spicy, curry, so good. My mouth is on fire from the sriracha. Ooh. The spiciness got to me, now I'm hiccuping. That's exactly how spicy I like my... I'm starting to tear up too. Let's go ahead and dip her in the sriracha. You guys see that beautiful golden brown curry? Oozing and dripping. She's nice and thick. Dip her right into the sriracha. Oh man. Y'all, one of the best curry dishes I've had. She's piping hot too, so be careful. It almost looks like lechon or like chicharron, like, oh, it's so juicy too. Yes. So good. Let's get a real wholesome bite. You got your veggies, you got your chicken, and on this side we have your rice. And curry dripping on our fingers. Oh yeah, that was it. That was the bite right there. Let's have a vlogger's perspective, right? Let me hold you by the camera. Let's go ahead and cut one of those in half. You can see the smoke. And dipped it right in there. Grab a little bit of rice. Cheers. Oh. Hot. But worth burning your mouth over. Last shot, you guys. So this contains about 6 shots per can. Cheers. Kanpai. Cheers, you guys. Get some hair on your chest. I'm gonna go ahead and try a piece of the beef curry. Take a piece of the beef and dip in some of the curry. What I like about the beef curry is that you could see the juices literally, oh man, just dripping out of her. You guys have to take a look at that. Like, can you see the juices? Literally, it's still hot and warm. So as you progress through the dish, you can literally, oh man, that's just sexiness right there. Just to note, you guys, it does have potato and of course rice. It's a very carb heavy dish. Expect to get fuller more fast than you thought. Carrots, corn, peas. It's fire. The teddy bear. I'm gonna take a picture of her real quick, you guys. But there she is. Strawberry jelly. I guess we'll do the usual by splitting her in half and seeing what's on the inside. Oh shit, it's already doing the job for us. The paper is. Look at that. Whoops. But this is your jelly filled. Pink like strawberry. Smells like strawberry. Tastes like strawberry. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Bitch. You gotta be careful with her because she just oozes and can be potentially messy. You guys aren't ready. Oh. That strawberry filling is a lot better than your donut place. Oh, wow. And look at the cute heart on her, too. That's probably really up there. Right next to the Nutella bun. That one's really good. Excuse me. That's so good. Oh man. Alrighty, Jules, that's it for today's gem. When you have any remaining leftovers, of course you got your carry out. But I'm sure if you come here with a healthy appetite, you won't have any. But remember, it is very carb heavy. So plan out your meal. That's it for today's gem. Make sure you follow me on social media. I actually created a contact in bio link. That's down in the description as well. You will see all my social medias as well as a Venmo, as well as other organizations to help out not only LGBTQ individuals, but as well as Filipino organizations, indigenous Filipino organizations, COVID relief testing, and LGBTQ, HIV, and clinical testing as well. I will see you guys for next week's gem. Bye!